Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited. May you continue to enjoy like this video. So friends, I will today share with you the very beautiful crochet bikini and blouses designs with knicker. So we're starting the video. I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow. Press the bell icon. You can very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend and inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any videos related, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing video, has a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friend, today in this video I share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care, well remember, and bye.